Here is a new Leslie 122 amplifier, and we needed to get this at Retro Electronics for a church that had a Leslie cabinet where some other technician just made off with the amp. The amp was missing then, so I thought it was best to just order a new Leslie amplifier, and you can actually get these. This is from a place called Tonewheel General Hospital. It has a lot of Hammond and Leslie parts, and they packed it very nicely in this crate. It even had a top on it, and put the tubes separately. The only difference from the original is that the speaker connector is different, so we'll have to rewire the other end of the speaker leads inside the Leslie cabinet. I've now got the amp installed in the Leslie cabinet, and we're just going to oil the motors here before we start it up. I'm going to use Zoom Spout oil, although Hammond organ generator oil could also be used. I removed the horn driver from the Leslie cabinet. We're noticing some distortion in the sound and weak high frequency sound, so I'm going to take this back to the shop and test it. I'm now testing the Leslie tweeter horn with a record player. You can hear that sound is distorted and trashy. I'm going to try taking this off here and see if there may be something jammed in it. Probably we'll just have to end up replacing it. I'm going to clean out the rotary horn too. Here are the different parts in the horn driver. Here's the voice coil and diaphragm. Here's the permanent magnet. The coil just sort of slips over the magnet, and I've noted a little bit of improvement just disassembling and cleaning everything. I'm going to put it back together and see how the sound quality is. Reassembled the horn unit, and it sounds better. I think just by cleaning it and reassembling it, we're able to improve it.